Crystal.
Hi, thank y'all for joining me today. My name is Katrina, and I'm here to do a speech for you. Before we start the speech, I'm just going to have the members of the audience to introduce themselves. I'm going to go ahead and start with Aria,
Hi, my name is Raya.
Deborah,
Hi, I'm Deborah.
Courtney,
Hi, I'm Courtney.
Crystal,
Hi, I'm Crystal.
Alonda.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
Thank y'all for joining me on this evening. I really appreciate it. All right. So, quick question. How many of you have used the microwave in the last 24 hours? Maybe to reheat dinner, made popcorn, or warm up some coffee? Yeah, me too. It's so common now that most of us don't even think twice about it. But what if I told you that this everyday appliance, something that's sitting quietly on your countertop or above your stove, was invented completely by accident? Today, I'm going to share how the microwave oven came to be, how it actually works, and how it changed the way we live and the way we eat. So let's rewind back to 1945. A man by the name of Perry Spencer, who was an engineer working for a company called Raytheon, which built radar equipment for World War II, is who we're going to be talking about. Now, one day he was standing near a magnetron, a device that generates microwave radiation. Spencer noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Now, most of us would have just thought, wow, it's hot in here and I got some chocolate melted in my pocket. But not Spencer, he was curious and he started experimenting. He went and got some popcorn kernels and he placed them near the magnetron and they popped. Then he tried an egg and the egg exploded. That's when he realized he had stumbled upon something big. By 1947, Raytheon produced the first microwave oven called the Radar Range. It was the size of a refrigerator. It cost thousands of dollars, and it was mainly used in restaurants and ships. It took nearly 2 decades before it was small and affordable enough for home use. So, what's actually happening inside your microwave when you press that start button? Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, kind of like radio waves or light waves. Inside every microwave oven is a small magnetron that generates these waves. When the microwaves hit your food, that causes water molecules inside of it to vibrate rapidly. And that vibration will create heat, and it's that heat that cooks your food. It's why microwaves heat food so fast. They target the moisture directly rather than heating the air around it like a conventional oven does. And because of that efficiency, microwaves use less energy overall. Now, there's also this common myth that microwaves will make our food radioactive or it makes the food unsafe. But that's not true. The waves don't stay in the food. It doesn't alter the chemistry of your food in any harmful way. Once the machine turns off, the microwave stops. Now let's talk about what this invention has done for us. The microwave completely changed how we eat. It brought in the era of convenience foods. Think about TV dinners, instant popcorn, frozen meals, all designed for quick reheating. It gave working families, college students, and even people who live alone an easy way to prepare meals without having to spend hours and hours slaving over the stove. And beyond cooking, microwaves are used in hospitals. They sterilize our equipment. They're used in labs for chemical analysis, and they're even used in space to study materials in zero gravity. So think about it. An invention that was born from melted chocolate now touches nearly every part of our daily lives. So today, we've looked at how Perry Spencer's curiosity turned an accident into a breakthrough, how the technology behind microwaves actually works, and how that little box in our kitchen has reshaped the rhythm of modern life. If there's one takeaway, it's this. Sometimes the biggest discoveries don't come from careful planning. They come from paying attention when something unexpected happens. So the next time you heat up some leftovers or you make some popcorn, maybe you'll think about that melted chocolate candy bar and how one curious mind helped us to cook in minutes instead of hours. Thank you.